How to download songs from YouTube. Open YouTube and search for the song you want to download. I'm going with Arrowhead, which is non-copyright music, but you can search whatever song you like or you want to download. After selecting a song, copy the link of the video. After that, open Google, which is available in every phone, and search MP3YT. This is the very useful and easy method. Now click on the first link of your screen and paste the link that we had copied before. Click on MP3 where you can find both options MP3 and MP4, and then press on download button to download the song. I have been using this method since a very long time and it's very useful. Now you have to wait for a few minutes after downloading the song. Let's check if our song have been downloaded or not. And tada! You have the song downloaded from YouTube in your playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Sending you all a lots of love.